All right, welcome back to the Lost Abbey. I'm Tommy, I'm your host. Talking 10 Commandments today. 10 Commandments is our Lost Abbey summer seasonal. Basically comes out in about June or July of every year. We kind of call it an anniversary release. We celebrate our anniversary every May, and it takes us about a month to get this packaged up. It's a dark farmhouse style beer made with a Saison yeast from Belgium. It's a little bit interesting of a departure from some of the beers we make. It's got raisins in it, like our Lost and Found and our Judgment Day, but we actually caramelize those raisins. We take and apply a giant flamethrower to them and blacken them up. There's also some honey and a little bit of rosemary and some orange peel in this beer. It's a real interesting mix of things going on. As beers go, this is one of the more complex grain bills and sort of beers that we put together. It makes for a really unique flavor profile with a little bit of the herbalness, as well as a great cellar beer. There's also some Brettanomyces that we add, a little bit of wild yeast at packaging time, which really aids in the cellarability of this beer. So go ahead and get this cork off of here and have a look and see what we got. So as farmhouse style beers go, again, this is a dark farmhouse style beer, so much darker in color, more brown than it is amber, a little bit of a de-bittered malt and some chocolate malt as well. Really trying to emphasize some of that caramel note with the raisins and a little bit of the herbalness from the rosemary. On the nose, you get a definite kick from the rosemary, a little bit of the wild yeast and the Brettanomyces, as well as some of that honey. It's a really interesting texture. Flavor-wise, initially starts off as a real caramel sweetness, almost a candied sweetness from the raisins as well. And then it has a long, dry finish, some of the herbalness from the rosemary, and as well as some of the noble hops that we use. It's a great food beer. This is one of the most awesome beers that we make for chefs to use. I think a bold beer like this deserves a bold food pairing, so any kind of hearty dish can handle a beer like this. So give it a shot. I love this beer. I think it goes great with dinner. We'll see you guys out there.